Hi guys, I am Nikita Kakkad and today I will show you how to make eggless chocolate muffins at home. So these are the ingredients that we'll need: refined flour, castor sugar, butter, cocoa powder, honey, baking soda, baking powder, vanilla essence, milk and water. So first we'll sieve the dry ingredients that are refined flour, cocoa powder, baking powder and baking soda. We'll sieve them well so that there are no impurities and lumps. So this is done now and we'll keep it aside for now. Now take melted butter in a bowl. Add castor sugar to it and mix it well. Once this is done, add honey, vanilla essence and mix them again. And now we'll add some milk to it. And mix it a little. So now I'll add the dry ingredients that we've sieved earlier. I'll add it in 3 parts so that it is mixed well and no lumps are formed. I would recommend to use whisk for this because it blends the ingredients smooth and incorporates the air into the mixture. Make sure there are no lumps and the consistency should be like this. And since I'll microwave them, I'm adding some water so that they won't get dry. So this is now done. Don't make it too thick, otherwise your muffins will not be soft enough. So now I'll keep it aside for now. I am taking silicone muffin mold and will grease it with butter so that the muffin won't stick to the mold. Similarly, grease the other molds as well. topping on the top of the muffin. You can also skip it if you want the muffins to be plain. muffins out of the mold. Muffins are soft, fluffy and looks delicious. I'm using some castor sugar to garnish it. Our muffins are now ready to be served. You can see how soft and fluffy they are. Guys, try this simple recipe at home. It will melt into your mouth and you can't resist them. Thank you guys for watching. Please like, share and subscribe.